Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Registry Editor not working on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. If you are trying to open Registry Editor using the Windows search and you are not able to open it, then you can simply try this troubleshooting method. First of all, try to open Registry Editor as administrator. For that, here on the search option, search for Registry Editor. Right click on it, then click on Run as Administrator, and this should open the Registry Editor. However, if you are still facing the issue and not able to open the Registry Editor, then you can simply open Task Manager. Here click on New Tasks, then simply type REGEDIT, then click on this checkbox, create these tasks with administrative privileges, then click on OK. And here you will get the Registry Editor. However, if there is some system issue, then also you will not able to open Registry Editor. To fix it, you have to run SFC scan. For that, here on the search option, search for command prompt, open it as administrator. Now here simply type SFC /scan now. Then hit enter key and wait for the scan process to complete. Once the process has been completed, simply close the command prompt, open settings, then click on Windows Update and check for Windows Update. If there is any pending update, simply download and install it on a system. After that, restart your system. For that, click on Start button, click on power icon, then restart. Once done, you'll be able to use Registry Editor on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.